If you need your website to point to a new server or hosting account, updating your domain's IP address through Cloudflare is an essential step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to swap out your old server SIP with your new one, making sure your website sends visitors to the right place smoothly and securely. Let's jump right in. Start by logging into your Cloudflare account. This is that little checkpoint that keeps your domain safe and lets you control all your DNS settings from one dashboard. Once you're in, pick the domain you want to update. If you have lots of sites connected to your Cloudflare account, make sure you double-check and select the correct domain from your list. It's so easy to accidentally click the wrong one, especially if you manage several sites. Taking a moment here saves you headaches later. After you've selected the right domain, head over to the DNS settings. You'll find this in the left-hand sidebar under a tab simply called DNS. Go ahead and click on that. Then tap on Records. Think of this area as the control panel for your website's traffic. Every record here tells the internet where to find different services for your domain. But today we're focusing specifically on the A record, or the AIAA record. If your server uses IP6, now take a look through the records. What you're looking for is the A record, which points your main domain to an IP address. Sometimes you'll see multiple records, especially if you have subdomains or extra services set up. The record for your main website usually has the name field set as an @ symbol or just your domain name. Like mywebsite.com, this is the record that routes most of your website traffic. If you're using an IP6 address, look for the AAAA record instead. It works the same way, just for a different kind of IP. Once you've found the correct record, click the Edit button right next to it. Here's where you enter your new server SIP address. Think of this like changing the address on your mail, so all your website visitors know exactly where to go. Carefully type in the new IP address your hosting provider gave you. And don't worry if this part feels a bit nerve-wracking, it's normal. Just double-check the IP before you save. A small typo here can temporarily take your site offline, but Cloudflare makes it easy to adjust things if you need to. After you've pasted in the new IP, hit the Save button. Cloudflare will immediately update this record, meaning your website visitors will start heading to the new server address shortly. Sometimes, it can take a few minutes for these changes to take full effect everywhere on the internet because of DNS caching. But you should see things working pretty quickly. And that's it, you've just updated your domain's IP address with Cloudflare. Remember, making sure your DNS records are accurate keeps your site healthy and accessible. If you run into any hiccups or have questions about which record to update, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. And consider subscribing so you don't miss more clear, useful tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your website changes.